Yo, what's up, YouTube? How's it going? I'm here with some technical analysis on Algo. Look at that chart right there. Algo didn't pay no mind to what was going on in the network. Took off. I don't know if y'all heard the news, but the news was that El Salvador is using them to pretty much make their network off of. So yeah, I wouldn't be surprised to see it go up a lot more. And if you want to buy in it, let's see. And this is something what to expect from other cryptos, as you can see. Once it starts breaking out, other countries start legalizing it and stuff. So let's see what we got over here for the technicals. See what we can do over here. Bottom right there, top right here. Let's see. All right. So the lowest we could possibly go if something bad was to happen, a real bad correction or something real bad was to happen. I don't think it would, but that would be that 153, 160 area over here in the golden pocket. If it was to come down and test something, you know how sometimes the other day, whenever they had that long wick that came and hit Cardano at $2, boom. If I go set up that chart, I'll do it later, but you see it comes down and hit that 6-6 right on the money. And so here, let's do this here. All right, so we're gonna say this one to here, this one. Here, I'll put it in there for you. To here, makes no right here at the top. Boom. Gonna say right here. It made that one right there. So we're gonna keep going. I'm gonna take that off and put it up here and bring this one to right here because we're trying to see if you want to get in, what can we expect right here for the future soon. Uh-oh. Let's go, let's go. And we'll throw a mini fib in over here. Alright, before we throw that little extra fib in here, I want to talk about this real quick. Let's see what we got going on right here. Alright, you see these are bearish candles, inverse hammer candles. These are forming on the 15-minute. Look at that coming down. It's gonna come test this 382 area at that 277. If you want, you can buy it. As you can see, it's a little strong support. But we did come over here and pretty much get a double top. So I wouldn't be surprised if it came down to test this 210 area. That would probably be your buy-in time right there. You buy in right there. And if you're trading it, you would set your stop loss 206, 205, and then buy back in at the 88, the 786 and the 886, 2 times 50-50. Stop loss under the 382 because if we come and test under that, we're coming down to the 176. And then if we do for some reason come down that way, you could just pretty much say we're coming all the way down to the 66. But I doubt it. I think we're going to come right here and bounce off of here. Just like I said, let's see if it still does it. It depends how much time we got. 4 minutes. All right, pretty much going to be done with the video though. But yeah, let's see what's stopping it, what's bouncing it around real quick. Come up here, put this right here. Boom. All right, yeah, right there. Perfect. Yeah, it's coming up to trying to test that. That's putting it as resistance. You see, it's gonna come back. If it could break 230, 234 would be next. Well, actually, you could pretty much get that 234 because of how close these are. I believe it's gonna come up to these right here, 236 point 0.5, as they'll be coming off the bounce. Actually, it's bouncing off the 382. Oh, it's coming from. All right, it's bouncing off 382. It might come up to this 382, come back down to this 236, come up to this 236, and then decide to whether it's gonna break out or not. And right here would be if it breaks out from this 6-6, then yeah, it's going. It's gonna go. 247 will be next, and then after that, if it can break its all-time highs, I could see it going to $3 possibly. Yeah, look at that. 312. You'll get these. You'll get these. We won't be able to really do nothing until we get over here. Do a little something right here real quick for y'all so we can see what's up with this chart real quick. Yeah, 2-6 right here. That area and then this area right there. And it's gonna come back down. I think from this right here, from this 618, 666 area is gonna come back down and test this 618. Although those are all 618s right here. Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna bounce between there and then probably next leg up. Yeah, that's my predictions for algo. This is not financial advice, do what you want with it. Y'all have a great day. Oh yeah, let me look at the chart real quick right here, see what's going on. Yeah, you can see it's holding right there. Oh, under it. Let's see. Well, there's a minute for y'all to see what's going on. Y'all can just go. I'm gonna upload it so y'all can see what's up with the chart already, so y'all can, you know, do what you want with it. Just remember, if it closes on top in the next minute, or whenever you watch it, if the candles close on top, most likely it's going that way. If the candles close on bottom, most likely it's going that way. Most likely, not it is most likely. Good luck.